Strong Mughals. Babur, 1526 to 1530. Humayun, 1530 to 1540, 1555 to 1556. Akbar, 1556 to 1605. Jahangir, 1605 to 1627. Shah Jahan, 1628 to 1558. Aurangzeb, 1658 to 1707. Trick Bajza. Babur, 1526 to 1530. Babur was the founder of Mughal Empire in India. He was related to Timur from his father's side, and from mother's side, he was related to Genghis Khan. Since Timur was a Turk, hence Babur was also a Turk. Babur was born on February 14, 1483 in Fargana. Babur at the age of 11 years 4 months became the ruler of Fargana. Babur occupied Kabul in 1504 AD. Babur was invited to attack India by Dalit Khan Lodhi, governor of Punjab, Alam Khan Lodhi, uncle of Ibrahim Lodhi, and Rana Sangha of Mewar. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodhi on April 21, 1526 in the First Battle of Panipat. Babur's success was due to his cavalry and artillery. He adopted the title Badshah and Khan after establishing Mughal dynasty. Babur adopted military strategy of Tughlama. His victory over the great Rajput warrior Rana Sangha secured his position as the ruler of India. This battle took place in Kanwa in 1527. Babur assumed the title Ghazi after this battle. He distributed silver coins named Shahrukhi and Babri among the soldiers, hence Babur is also called Calendar. In 1528, Babur captured Chunderi from Rajput ruler Medini Rai after defeating him in the Battle of Chunderi. In 1529, Babur ousted the force of Muhammad Lodhi, uncle of Ibram Lodhi, in the Battle of Gagra. Babur died in Agra in 1530. His tomb is in Kabul. Babur wrote a book, Tuzak-i-Babari, in Chagasha Turki language. He frankly confessed his failures without suppressing any facts. This book was later translated in Persian language by Abdul Rahim Khan Ikana and called Baburnama. This book was later translated in English by Madame Beveridge. In battlefield, Babur had a fighting army of 8,000 soldiers and Ibrahim Lodhi had around 40,000 soldiers. In short, 1. 1526, First Battle of Panipat, victory. 2. 1527, Kanwa, victory. 3. 1528, Chunderi, victory. 4. 1529, Gagra, victory. 2. Humayun, 1530 to 1540, 1555 to 1556.
Babur had four sons namely Humayun, Kamran, Askari and Hindal and Doctors Kanzada Begum and Gubadan Begum.
Humayun, the eldest son of Babur, succeeded him. He built a city, Dinpana, at Delhi as his second capital. Humayun was defeated by Sher Shah Suri in the Battle of Chausa in 1539. He was again defeated in the Battle of Bilgram in 1540 by Sher Shah. This battle is also known as Battle of Kannauj. This defeat at Kannauj resulted in loss of kingdom, which forced Humayun to leave India in 1540. On his way to Sindh, Humayun married Hamida Banu Begum. When they stayed in a market, Pakistan, Akbar was born in 1542. Humayun then escaped to Persia and got help from its ruler Shah Tahmasp, who treated Humayun like a royal visitor. In the meantime, the Sur dynasty in India was declining rapidly after the death of Sher Shah. In 1555, in the Battle of Sirhind, Humayun defeated Sikandar Shah Suri, a later successor of Sher Shah, and occupied Agra and Delhi, thus recovering the Mughal throne. Humayun's 15 years of exile. Meena Bazar was started by Humayun. Akbar used to call it Khusros. Humayun was the first to allow Hindu rulers for performing Tuladan. After 6 months, he died in 1556 due to his fall from the staircase of his library at Dinpana. His sister Gul Baden Begum wrote, Humayun name. Humayun's wife Hamida Banu Begum / Haji Begum built Humayun's tomb at Delhi. 3. Akbar, 1556 to 1605. Akbar was born on October 15, 1542 at a market, Pakistan. He was the eldest son of Humayun and was just 13 years old when he was crowned at Kalanur, Punjab in 1556 by Bairam Khan. Akbar proved to be one of the greatest monarchs of India. When he succeeded the throne after Humayun's death, his position was dangerous because Delhi was seized by Hemu, who was the military general and chief minister of Adil Shah Suri of Sur dynasty. Last Hindu ruler of Delhi in medieval India was King Hemu. In the Second Battle of Panipat fought on 5th November, 1556, Hemu was almost on the point of victory, but an arrow pierced his eye and he became unconscious. His army fled and the Mughals won. Between 1556 and 1560, Bairam Khan acted as his regent. Akbar appointed him as his vakil/vazir and gave him the title Khan-i-Kana. From 1560 to 1562, Akbar was under influence of his foster mother, Mahamanga, only female PM of Mughals. This time period was called petticoat government. Akbar's military conquests were extensive. He conquered northern India from Agra to Gujarat and then from Agra to Bengal. Relations with Rajputs. Surrender or war. Matrimonial. Service. Religious tolerance. Akbar married the Rajput princess Haraka Bai, Hira Kumari, who was the daughter of Raja Barmal, the Rajput ruler of America. It was a turning point in the Mughal-Rajput relations. After she gave birth to Jahangir, Akbar titled Hira, Mariam-uz-Zamani. Akbar encouraged Rajputs to join his service and many of them rose to high positions like Raja Bhagwandas and Raja Mansingh. Raja Barmal of Amber, Jaipur. Bhagwandas plus Haraka Bai, wife of Akbar. Mother of Jahangir. Title Hira, Mariam Uzi Zamani. Munsingha plus Mambai, wife of Jahangir and mother of Khusro. Raja Barmal of Amber, Jaipur. Bhagwandas. Haraka Bai, wife of Akbar, mother of Jahangir. Title Hira, Mariam Uzi Zamani. Munsingha. Mambai, wife of Jahangir and mother of Khusro.
King Uday Singh 4 August 1583 to 10 July 1595 Mutaraja, Fifth King of Marwar, Jodhpur, present-day Rajasthan.
Maternal grandfather of Shah Jahan and an ancestor of all subsequent emperors. Jagat Ghazai, Jodhbai, second wife of Jahangir. After birth of Prince Khurram, future Shah Jahan, title Malika-i-Jahan.
King Uday Singh 4 August 1583 to 10 July 1595 Mutaraja, Fifth King of Marwar, Jodhpur, present-day Rajasthan.
Maternal grandfather of Shah Jahan and an ancestor of all subsequent emperors. Jagat Ghazai, Jodhbai, second wife of Jahangir. After birth of Prince Khurram, future Shah Jahan, title Malika-i-Jahan. His friendly and respectful policy resulted in submission of many Rajput states, but Ranas of Muir refused. Akbar's army led by Raja Man Singh of Amber defeated Maharana Pratap Singh of Muir in the Battle of Haldagadi fought on June 18, 1576, but Rana Pratap did not submit and continued his struggle. Maharana Pratap Singh with his horse. Even when attacking Rajput lands, Akbar did not follow the policy of temple destruction and idol breaking. He abolished the pilgrim tax and later jizya tax. Akbar built Ibadat Khana, house of worship, in 1575 at his new capital Fatehpur Sikri. Akbar invited scholars from different religions to debate here. In 1582, Akbar started Din Ilahi by picking up good moral values from different religions. Its motto was Silikul. This new faith proved to be a failure as it vanished after his death. Birbal was the only Hindu to join it. Important events during Akbar's rule. 1563 abolition of pilgrim tax. 1564 abolition of jizya. 1571 foundation of Fatehpur Sikri, capital shift, Agra to Fatehpur Sikri in 1571. 1573 victory over Gujarat. 1575 Ibadat Khana was built in Fatehpur Sikri. 1577 Mansabdari system was introduced, Zat and Sawar rank. 1579 proclamation of Mahzar, he became supreme interpreter of Islamic law. 1580 introduced Amai Dasala based on Tadarmal's Bandobast. 1582 started Din Ilahi. 1584 started Ilahi Samat. 1587 started Ilahi Gaz. The tomb of Salim Chishti is in Fatehpur Sikri. It was constructed by Akbar. The famous gate Buland Darwaza was constructed at Fatehpur Sikri by Akbar to be celebrated his victory over Gujarat. Its construction was completed in 1601. He constructed Agra Fort, Allahabad Fort, Lahore Fort, Panch Mahal, Fatehpur Sikri. 9 gems in the court of Akbar. Birbal real name Mahesh Das. Tansen real name Ramtana Pandi. Abul Fazl. Faizi. Bhagwandas. Munsingha. Abdul Rahim Khanigana. Tadarmal. Mirza Aziz Koka. Some historians dispute this list and include Mullah Dupayaza. Tansen's real name was Ramtana Pandi. He was associated with music. His mausoleum is in Gwalior. He invented a musical instrument, tampura. Abul Fazl and Faizi were scholars. Abul Fazl wrote Akbarnama and a part of this book is Aini Akbari. He was later assassinated by Bir Singh Bundela on the orders of Jahangir. The land revenue system of Akbar was called Zabti or Tadarmal's Bandobast. It was further improved and called Aini Dasala. In 1564, Akbar's army attacked the Gondwana/Garkatanga state under Queen Durgavati and conquered it. Queen Durgavati died. In 1562, Akbar's army defeated the ruler of Malwa, Baz Bahadur. In 1601, Akbar captured the capital of Khandesh, Burhanpur, and the fort of Asirgarh. The conquest of Asirgarh was the last victory of Akbar. Akbar divided his empire into 12 subas, provinces. Akbar died on October 27, 1605, and was buried at Secunderai near Agra. 4. Jahangir, 1605 to 1627. Asterisk after Akbar, Prince Salim succeeded with the title Jahangir, Conqueror of the World.
Asterisk Jahangir was born to Harkabai, daughter of Raja Barmal of Amir, Jaipur.
Asterisk his name Salim was based on the name of Sufi Saint Sheikh Salim Chishti of Fatehpur Sikri. Asterisk Salim's first marriage was with Mambai, the daughter of Raja Bhagwandas of Amber and sister of Raja Munsingha. From his wife, Prince Khusro was born. Asterisk Jahangir second married to Jagat Ghazai, Jodhbai, the daughter of King Uday Singh of Marwar. Jahangir gave her the title of Malika-i-Jahan. From this wife, Prince Khurram, future Shah Jahan, was born. Asterisk Jahangir later married Maranisa, Nur Jahan. Maranisa was given the title of Badshah Begum by Jahangir as she used to carry out administration on behalf of Jahangir, even issued coins jointly in the name of himself and Noor Jahan. Jahangir also built a tomb in Lahore in memory of Anarkali. Jahangir appointed Bursing Bundala, the assassin of Abul Fazl, to a high position and gave him a mansab of 2,500. Jahangir issued 12 ordinances, Dasturul Amal, for public welfare, as mentioned in his autobiography, Tuzaki Jahangiri, writ in Persian. Most important ordinance was prohibition of intoxicating substances, tobacco. Jahangir established direct relations between the Mughal government and British. William Hawkins in 1609 and Thomas Roe in 1615 reached the court of Jahangir to secure certain trading rights. Jahangir's rule witnessed a series of rebellion from his sons for the throne, like his son Khusro revolted against him and was given shelter by Guru Arjuna Dev. 5. The Sikh Guru, Jahangir killed Arjuna Dev and also defeated and imprisoned Khusro. Khurram, later Shah Jahan, the son of Jahangir, felt that Jahangir was completely under Nurjahan's influence and hence rebelled against his father. After Jahangir's death in 1627, Shah Jahan reached Agra and with the support of nobles and army, he became the new emperor. Since then, Nurjahan lived as a pensioner till her death. Establishment of Zanjar-e-Adl, chain of justice, inside Aga fort for people who appealed for justice. In 1613, Jahangir sent Prince Khurram against Muir and shifted the military headquarters to Ajmer. Eventually Rana Amar Singh submitted. Jahangir died in 1627 and was buried at Lahore. 5. Shah Jahan, 1628 to 1658. Shah Jahan's real name was Khurram. He succeeded Jahangir in 1628. Shah Jahan was born in 1592 in Lahore to Jagat Ghazai, Jodhbai, the daughter of Uday Singh, the ruler of Marwar.
Most important marjage of Shah Jahan was in 1612 Vitt Harjumand Banu Begum Mumtaz Mahal. Shah Jahan käve herde title Malika Eesamani.
Mumtaz Mahal gave birth to Darashikoh and Aurangzeb. Mumtaz Mahal died of labor pain during birth of 14th child, Gahanra. Later in her memory, Taj Mahal was built in Agra between 1632 to 1653. Shah Jahan captured Ahmednagar in Deccan and made his son Aurangzeb the Subadar of the Deccan. In 1657, Shah Jahan's health deteriorated, which led to a war of succession among his sons. The main contest was between Dara Shikoh and Aurangzeb. 3 battles were fought between them. Battle of Durmat in 1658 at Ujjain. Battle of Samagar in 1658 at Agra. Battle of Diorai in 1659 at Ajmer. In all the 3 battles with Dara, Aurangzeb won and entered the Agra fort, making Shah Jahan to surrender in 1658. Shah Jahan was confined to the female apartments in Musman Burs, inside Agra fort, and strictly put under supervision. He died in 1666 and was buried beside his wife's grave in the Taj Mahal. French travelers Jean-Baptiste Tavernier and François Berny visited him. Travelers like Niccolo Minucci, Italian, Peter Mundy, British, describe his rule. Shah Jahan defeated Portuguese in 1632. Mughal architecture reached its climax during the reign of Shah Jahan. He built Red Fort, Delhi, Jama Masjid, Delhi, Moti Masjid, Agra, Taj Mahal, Agra. Jama Masjid, Delhi. 6. Aurangzeb, 1658 to 1707. He adopted the title Alamgir. He was the last strong Mughal emperor. Aurangzeb was the only ruler of the Mughal Empire to be coronated twice. He put a ban on singing and music in his court. He ended the practice of Tuladin. Jaroka Idarshan, Noras. The celebration of Muharram was also stopped. Drinking, use of bhang and other intoxicating substances was banned. In 1633, he put a ban on sati. In 1679, he reimposed jizya. He executed the 9th Sikh Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur, in 1675, and the 10th and last Sikh Guru, Guru Gobind Singh, organized Sikhs into Khalsa in 1699. After his death in 1707, his disciple Banda Bahadur continued the war. His original name was Lachman Dev. During the rule of Aurangzeb, the Marathas under Shivaji rose to power, but Shivaji was defeated by a general to Aurangzeb, Jai Singha of America. Then, Treaty of Purandar was signed in 1665, according to which Shivaji agreed to give some forts to Mughals, and also agreed to pay a visit to the Mughal court. Later, in 1674, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, after coronation, established Maratha Empire. He died in 1680, and was succeeded by Sambhaji, who was killed by Aurangzeb in 1689. Aurangzeb's policy towards Shia Deccan states also proved to be a wrong policy. He annexed Bijapur in 1686 and Golconda in 1687. By this, he took the Mughal Empire to its peak in terms of territories, but it proved to be a political blunder as his Deccan campaigns exhausted the Mughal treasury and frequent revolts took place in North India. Hence it said that Deccan also ruined Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb was called Zinda Pir, living saint. He wrote a book called Fatwa-i-Alamgiri. He died in 1707 and was buried near Daulatabad, Maharashtra. During the time of Aurangzeb, a famous monument, Bibi Ka Maqbara, in Aurangabad, Maharashtra, was built by Azam Shah, son of Aurangzeb, and his wife Rabia-ud Dora. It is also called Dakhani Taj. Aurangzeb built Badshahi Masjid in Lahore. Later Mughals, 1707 to 1857. The decline of Mughal Sultanate. Bahadur Shah I/Shah Alam I, 1707 to 1712. His real name was Muazzam. He succeeded Aurangzeb after the War of Succession, killing his own brothers. Bahadur Shah I is also called Shah-i Bikabur. He released Shah, the son of Sambhaji. Shah, who would later become Maratha Emperor. Jahandar Shah, 1712 to 1713. He abolished jizya. Jahandar Shah gave the title, Mirza Raja Sawai, to a Rajput king of Amber, Jai Singh II. Jai Singh II founded the city of Jaipur and established Jantar Mantar at 5 places in India: Delhi, Jaipur, Mathura, Varanasi, Ujjain. He was killed by Sayyid brothers. Farrukhsiyar, 1713 to 1719. He became king with the help of Sayyid brothers Sayyid Abdullah Khan Barha and Sayyid Hussain Khan Barha. During reign of Farrukhsiyar, Banda Bahadur was killed. He gave duty-free trading rights in 1717 to the British East India Company in Bengal after he was treated by a British doctor, George Hamilton. He issued dastaks, trading passes, to British, which was opposed by Murshid Ali Khan, the governor of Bengal, and hence Murshid became first Nawab of Bengal. Farrukhsiyar was killed by Sayyid brothers. Muhammad Shah, 1719 to 1748. Since he was a pleasure-loving king, therefore, he got the title Ranhila. In 1724, Chin Kilich Khan, Nizam-ul-Mulk, founded the Asaf Jah dynasty in Hyderabad. He became the first Nizam of Hyderabad. During his reign, Nadir Shah, Persian ruler, invaded India in 1739 and mercilessly plundered, looted, many cities including Delhi and killed thousands. He took away the famous peacock throne, Takht, Taz/Mayor Sinhasan, from within the Red Fort and Kohinoor, which extracted from within Golconda mines. He died in 1748. He killed Sayyid brothers. Alamgir II, 1754 to 1759. Battle of Plassey was fought during his rule. Akbar Shah II, 1806 to 1837. He vagued the title Raja to Ram Mohan Roy. Bahadur Shah II, 1837 to 1857. He is also known as Bahadur Shah Zafar. He was the last Mughal king. He was deported to Rangoon, Myanmar, where he died in 1862.